Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into a name you all know, Binance. But we're not just sticking to the surface level stuff. We're going to peel back the layers and look at the entire ecosystem hiding in plain sight. Let's get into it. So, when I say Binance, what's the first thing that pops into your head? Probably trading, right? Charts, order books, all that good stuff. And look, for a lot of us, that's where the story ends. But what if that's just the tip of the iceberg? Well, you've got to think bigger. Because over the years, Binance has grown into this whole financial ecosystem. It's packed with a ton of different tools that do way more than just let you trade. Today, we're going to crack open that toolbox and see what's inside. First up, let's talk about something huge, passive income. I mean, you've got your crypto, but is it just sitting there? Or is it actually working for you, generating returns while you're not even looking? This is exactly where Binance Simple Earn comes into play. It's a super straightforward feature that takes concepts like crypto savings and staking, that's basically where you help support a network and get rewarded for it, and mashes them into one easy product. The whole point? To get your portfolio growing on its own. So with Simple Earn, you basically get two main flavors. You've got flexible products, which let you take your funds out anytime you want. Awesome if you want to be able to grab your cash whenever. Or if you're in it for the long haul, you can go for locked products. You agree to lock up your assets for a set amount of time, and for that, you get a better return. It's that classic choice, right? More flexibility or higher rewards. And the best part? Getting started is ridiculously easy. You just head to the Earn section in the app, pick your coin, and decide if you want flexible or locked, type in the amount, and hit confirm. And boom, that's it. Your crypto is now officially working for you. Okay, so your crypto is busy making you more crypto. Nice. Now let's switch gears. What about finding the next big thing? How do you get in early on those exciting new projects before everyone else does? Well, Binance actually gives you a few different ways to do this. There's Launchpad for getting in on brand new token sales. There's Launchpool, where you can stake your crypto to get new tokens for free. And then there's Megadrop, which is this cool mix of earning and learning to get early access. Okay, let's zoom in on Launchpool for a sec, because this is really cool. The key here is you're not actually spending anything. You're just parking your crypto, like BNB or FTUSD, for a bit. And as a reward, the new project gives you some of their brand new tokens dropped into your wallet every day. It's a really low-risk way to get your hands on new assets. Now, Megadrop, that throws a cool little twist into the mix. It's not just about having BNB locked up, it's also about getting involved. You rack up points for locking your BNB, sure, but you can then multiply those points by doing simple Web3 tasks for the project. Like connecting a wallet or something. It rewards you for both your assets and your active support. Okay, I know what some of you are thinking. This all sounds great, but I don't really have the cash to invest right now. So, the big question is it possible to earn crypto with $0 to start? Believe it or not, some folks on Binance Square are saying absolutely yes. I mean, look at that quote. And I know, it sounds a little wild, right? Maybe even too good to be true, but there are actual, real methods behind this. First up is something you've probably heard of, the referral program. The idea is so simple. You share your special link with friends, and when they sign up and start trading, you get a piece of the trading fee. And we're not talking tiny amounts here. It can be up to 40%. And look, don't just brush this off as small change. It can be a really big deal. As this creator on Binance Square points out, it can turn into a serious income stream. The trick isn't just spamming your link everywhere. It's about building a real community, creating content people find useful, and then sharing your link. It really shows that consistency and adding value can pay off. All right, method number 2 is learn and earn. This is where Binance will literally pay you to get smarter. You watch a few quick videos or read some articles about different crypto projects, answer a few easy questions, and bam, you get free tokens from that very project. You're building your knowledge and your portfolio at the exact same time. And hey, if you're someone who has your own opinions and analysis, there's Right to Earn on Binance Square. It's a social hub where you can post your own articles. If your stuff does well, gets a lot of engagement, you can get rewards. So what's your specialty? Are you a genius at chart analysis? Can you explain complicated stuff simply? Find your thing and you could get paid for it. Okay, we've talked about all these cool ways to earn and discover new things. But honestly, none of that matters if your foundation isn't solid. And I'm talking about security. It's the most important part of your entire journey. Because let's be real for a second, crypto is full of amazing opportunities. But yeah, there are definitely risks out there. So, with all the scams and bad actors trying to get your stuff, how do you actually protect yourself? Well, the solution here isn't some secret single trick. It really comes down to two things: getting educated so you know what to look for, and then actually using the security tools that are right there at your fingertips. So here's your game plan. Two huge scams are phishing, those fake emails and websites, and people impersonating Binance staff. For phishing, your best defense is to turn on the anti-phishing code. It puts a secret code, one that only you know, on every official email from Binance. If that code isn't there, it's a fake. Simple. For impersonators, use Binance Verify. It's a tool where you can check if a website, email, or social account is legit. And for that all-important education piece, you've got Binance Academy. It's this massive library of information, and it's completely free. Seriously, think of it like a free university for all things crypto, with articles and courses on pretty much everything. It's designed to give you the knowledge you need to stay safe. So, you see, we've gone way past just buying and selling. Binance really is more like a whole toolbox. You've got tools for trading, for earning passive income, for finding what's new, for earning even if you have nothing to start with. And most importantly, the tools and the education to stay smart and safe. And that, everyone, brings us to the end of our tour. We've laid out all the different parts of the ecosystem, you've seen the tools, you know what's in the box. So the only real question left is, what are you going to build? Thanks for tuning in.